Top 5 foods diabetics should eat every day. Feeling like your blood sugar is on a never-ending roller coaster ride? One moment, you're full of energy, and the next, you're crashing hard. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, we're here to help you hop off that ride for good. Stick with us as we dive into 5 powerhouse foods that can help you take control of your blood sugar naturally. Trust me, you won't want to miss the last one. It's a total game changer. Managing your blood sugar is about so much more than just avoiding a post-lunch crash. Balanced blood sugar means better energy, sharper focus, and a reduced risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Plus, it helps you feel like the best version of yourself every day. The best part? You don't need to make drastic changes to your lifestyle to see results. Just adding a few simple, delicious foods to your diet can make a huge difference. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to spill the beans, literally and figuratively, on the top 5 foods for better blood sugar control. Let's get started. Number 1. Oats. Oats are a true breakfast hero when it comes to managing blood sugar. What makes oats so special? It's all about the soluble fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan. This fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system, which slows down how quickly your body breaks down and absorbs carbohydrates. The result? A more stable release of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping those pesky blood sugar spikes at bay. But not all oats are created equal. For the best blood sugar control, go for steel-cut or rolled oats rather than instant varieties. Why? Instant oats are more processed, which means they're broken down faster in your body, leading to a quicker rise in blood sugar. A fun tip: add some cinnamon or fresh fruit for flavor without relying on sugar. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference. And here's some science to back it up. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, oats are linked to improved glycemic control and can even help reduce fasting blood sugar levels. That makes them a fantastic option, not just for breakfast, but also for a hearty snack or a savory dish, like oat-based veggie bowls. Whether you enjoy them sweet or savory, oats are a simple and versatile way to keep your blood sugar steady and your energy levels strong. Number 2. Leafy greens. When it comes to blood sugar control, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are absolute superstars. What makes them so powerful? These greens are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar and insulin. Magnesium helps your cells respond better to insulin, which means your body can manage blood sugar levels more effectively. And since magnesium deficiencies are linked to an increased risk of diabetes, adding more of these greens to your plate is a smart move. Wondering how to enjoy them? The good news is that leafy greens are incredibly versatile. Toss a handful of spinach or kale into your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to the day. Prefer something warm? Sauté Swiss chard with a little olive oil, garlic, and lemon for a delicious and simple side dish. Whether raw, cooked, or blended, these greens are an easy addition to almost any meal, and the science backs it up. A study published in Diabetes Care found that magnesium-rich diets are associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. That makes leafy greens not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also an essential ally for blood sugar management. So, don't be shy. Pile them on your plate and give your body the boost it deserves. Number 3. Cinnamon. Let's talk about cinnamon, the spice with superpowers when it comes to managing blood sugar. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. It's also been found to lower fasting blood sugar, making it a fantastic addition to any diet for anyone looking to keep their glucose levels in check. Here's a fun fact: not all cinnamon is created equal. If you're looking to maximize the health benefits, reach for Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon. It has a milder flavor compared to the more common cassia cinnamon. and is considered the most effective variety for blood sugar control. Plus, it contains lower levels of coumarin, a natural compound that can be harmful in large doses, making it a safer option for regular use. And the research backs it up. A study published in Diabetes, Research and Clinical Practice found that cinnamon supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in participants with diabetes. That's right, just a sprinkle of this magical spice can make a measurable difference. Try adding it to your morning coffee, oatmeal, or even savory dishes like roasted veggies. It's a delicious and natural way to keep your blood sugar steady while adding a warm, comforting flavor to your meals. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're a powerhouse when it comes to blood sugar control. What makes this creamy fruit so special? Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, both of which work to slow down digestion. This helps prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes and keeps your levels steady throughout the day. Plus, their rich nutrient profile supports overall metabolic health, making them a fantastic choice for your diet. Here's an easy hack to enjoy them. Replace mayo or butter with avocado on your toast. Not only will it add a creamy, delicious texture, but it also provides long-lasting energy without the blood sugar roller coaster that refined carbs or sugary spreads can trigger. Add a sprinkle of salt, a dash of lemon, or even a few chili flakes for an extra kick. And the science backs this up too. According to data published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, consuming foods rich in monounsaturated fats, like avocado, can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate glucose levels. So, whether you're slicing it onto a salad, mashing it for guacamole, or blending it into a smoothie, avocados are a simple, delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check while indulging in some serious flavor. Number 5. Chickpeas. Chickpeas might just be the unsung hero of blood sugar control. These humble legumes are not only delicious, but also packed with benefits for managing your glucose levels. They're high in protein, which helps slow digestion, and they're loaded with resistant starch. Resistant starch acts like a fiber, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, and helping to regulate post-meal blood sugar levels. This makes chickpeas a fantastic choice for steady energy throughout the day. Looking for a fun and easy way to enjoy them? Try roasted chickpeas as a crunchy snack alternative. They're super simple to make. Just toss them in olive oil, sprinkle on your favorite spices, and roast them in the oven until crispy. They're the perfect snack to replace chips or crackers while keeping your blood sugar steady and your taste buds happy. And there's science to back up their power. A study published in Nutrition Journal found that incorporating legumes like chickpeas into your diet can significantly improve blood sugar control and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Whether you're adding them to salads, blending them into hummus, or roasting them for a snack, chickpeas are an incredibly versatile and tasty way to support your blood sugar health. And there you have it, 5 powerhouse foods to help you take control of your blood sugar. Let's quickly recap. Oats, with their soluble fiber, help slow digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with magnesium to regulate blood sugar and insulin. Cinnamon, the spice with superpowers, boosts insulin sensitivity and lowers fasting blood sugar. Avocado, full of healthy fats and fiber, prevents sugar spikes and keeps you feeling full longer. Chickpeas, rich in protein and resistant starch, make for a delicious snack that helps stabilize blood sugar after meals. These foods are easy to find, simple to use, and incredibly powerful when it comes to managing your blood sugar. Why not try adding 1 or 2 to your meals this week? Small changes like these can lead to big improvements in your health and energy levels. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Share it with someone who might be looking for easy ways to improve their health. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more simple, actionable health tips coming your way. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.